Hey guys, I picked up this little mini bike here and the chain keeps coming off and there's no adjustment on this thing at all. Again, this is a little Coleman CT100U, and so every time I put it back on, I take all this stuff off, put it back on, chain keeps coming off. So I'm gonna remove a link from it. Got a 5/16 here. Okay, here we got a 3/8. There's a bolt here, and then there's an identical one right down here. I'm gonna remove them both. Normally that thing sits like that. Comes around here like this. And you can get the chain on pretty easy. But what I'm gonna do is take a link out because it's so darn loose. See how loose that is? So you can see which link is gonna need to come off. So there it is right there. We're gonna pop that off that way. There we go. Have to pop off of there. I want to save it, so I don't want to deform it too much. Now you can see that'll just pop right out of there. Just push on that, and the link pops out. That right there is what went on it. Now we're going to take this link here and we're just going to remove it. Okay, got that off of there. Now I'm just going to pull the whole chain off of there. Okay, they actually make a tool for this, for actually pushing those links out of here. What I'm going to do is just remove the tops of that, the tops of the link there, and then that way I can pop it on through. Sometimes I've done this with a grinder and that out of there. Now we've removed the link. Okay, now I'll just go ahead and put the chain back on. Still got the two ends here. I'm just gonna go ahead and run it how it's supposed to, down through here. Here we'll go ahead and match that link back up. Where it's going to go. That through there. Got our other open end there. And now we can snap our piece back on. There we go. Got her back on. And to put the chain on, I'm just going to put it around this. Put it around this part. Kick it up like that and rotate the back tire. All right, there we go. It's a little bit tighter than I want, but there's like no adjustments on this thing. That was my only option. Anyway, let's give this a shot and see how it runs with a tight chain. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the guards and stuff back on. Should be just fine.